the Traeger Scout right there. Traeger Scout. We got a couple pork loin cutlets, and we are doing it off of the Traeger pellet grill inverter and a deep cycle marine battery, RV battery. And I am also, at the same time that I'm discharging the battery, I'm charging it with a solar panel, Thunderbolt brand. This is a 100 watt max regulator. And over here, this is just a 7 watt panel. It's a trickle charge, but that's really all you need to do with something like this. We're out here at Lake Mead recreation area. We have primitive hookups. We have no power, and we have no water or sewer, but we have 150 gallons of fresh water on board the rig, 80 gallons of black, 80 gallons of gray. We do have a 5500 watt generator, so it's like, you know, we're not gonna rough it too bad. But we have been operating off of our batteries and our solar panel up there on the roof, and we just run the generator 3 hours at night to make sure we're totally topped off, because it charges the batteries faster than solar. And then we watch you know, a video on this TV outside, or stream, whichever one. But let's check. We have our multimeter here. Let's see what the discharge rate is. And we're just talking volts here. So now that it just kicked in and the auger is working and the flame is burning, and we are at 12.64 volts, and it's not dropping an ounce. In fact, we're increasing. So that's a success story right there. And we have a solar powered and hand cranked emergency radio, weather band, AM FM. We have Stealth Angel survival kit, and tonight we're going to try to start that fire pit right there with the old-fashioned rod. It's like a flint rod, basically, that you scrape on, set spark to some toilet paper and Vaseline, and we'll see how that works. So let's see what the Stealth Angel kit can do for us tonight, and we'll get that on video.